Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the mix amp and confirming firmware. This prevents audio glitches. Connect the mix amp to your Xbox Series S using the correct cable, optical adapter for older mix amps or USB-C for newer models, so the console recognizes it as an audio device. Once done, go into Xbox settings and set headset audio to the mix amp, choosing chat/game mix. You do this now because an early correct connection avoids signal routing issues and speeds up the remaining steps. You'll now configure exact audio levels so in-game sound and chat are balanced. Plug headset into the mix amp, then use the mix amp dial to set chat versus game audio. Test with a friend in a party to confirm clarity. Make sure the console recognizes the microphone and that chat mixer levels are correct in Xbox audio settings. Once done, tweak the mix amp EQ or Dolby modes to emphasize voice or positional cues. This improves awareness without raising volume to uncomfortable levels. Finish by verifying voice chat permissions and privacy settings so your microphone isn't blocked. Test a full session, party chat, game audio, and recording if needed. Fine-tune mix amp volume and mic monitoring to avoid echo. If audio cuts or mic fails, first reseat or swap the cable, power cycle the mix amp and Xbox, and try alternate USB ports. These simple steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, update mix amp firmware or contact Astro support with model and firmware details for a guided fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.